All right, so here we go again. We have a question that says, which equation is the best representation of the relationship up above? You always want to create a function so that you can jump back and forth between all of your options. In this case, just for the moment, I'm going to put in answer choice A because I know it's not the correct answer, because the correct answer is here right now. Now, if I go ahead and I go to put answer choice A, and notice that as I'm changing the values, you can see the values in the table changing. So sure enough, I have 1.5 times. I'm going to do 44,000. I will not put a comma in because you can put points on a graph. And if you put a comma in, Desmos thinks that you're doing X comma Y. For the moment, I'll get rid of this and show you again that if you click on this little system preferences type of doodad, that you can create a table. Here's my table. At the moment, I care to go 0, 1, 2, probably don't need more than that. I'll stop here. Here's what I know. I know that I need a data point or two. I'll start with a single data point. The single data point is that the number of bacteria in a fluid doubles every day, and that there are 44,000 bacteria in the liquid at the start. Then it says which represents the number of bacteria Y, so that's f of x, in the liquid medium t days after the start. So 0 days after the start, I have 44,000 bacteria. So right here at 0, this is not 44,000. I know A is not the answer. If I go like this and change this value, then now it's B. B is not the answer because when X is 0, Y is not 44,000. So then I go to C, I do 44,000, and this becomes 1/2 in here. So now I have answer choice C. So this, at first glance, is like ding, 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 it's the answer. Because when X is 0, Y is 44,000. But don't forget the question says the number of bacteria in the liquid doubles every day. So in this case, this is not doubling every day. As each day passes, it's actually breaking in half. It makes sense in this case at first glance that the answer is D, but of course I would just change the value. And now that I have D in here as my function, and I see that when X is 0, Y is 44,000, and that each day that passes, it doubles. If I wanted to double check, I could easily put in a Desmos 88,000 times 2 and see if it does it, but you can tell A and B definitely were not the right answer because when X is 0, Y was not 44,000. And with C, it was not doubling every day. D is definitely the answer here. Hope this makes sense. Giddy up, let's go.